So I've got
So I'm repeating the steps from before, but I just wanted to come back on to show you that as I'm
been inserted in,
can you see here,
fabric,
it's not fitting on as nicely, and I'm just much more on the bottom panel
I've got
than on the side panel.
for the strap.
So I'm just going to
I've got my pocket, I've got my
go
label
back
to my pocket,
and pin along.
I've got my slider for the strap.
Try to ease
my
it.
front and back. This is my bottom panel because the skirt wasn't quite big enough to get all of the bag out of it, and I've got my lining. So also I've got a big cup of tea because you can't sew without a big cup of tea. So now I'm going to go on my trusty sewing machine.
You can see the difference is getting smaller.
So I've got all my bits here to make my bag. I've got my zip, which has been inserted in the outer fabric and the lining, which I showed you on an earlier video. I've got, these are the tabs for the strap. I've got my strap, I've got my pocket, I've got my label to go in my pocket, I've got my slider for the straps, I've got my front and back. This is my bottom panel because the skirt wasn't quite big enough to
so
get all of the bag out of it, and I've got my lining.
I've managed to ease it back in.
Also I've got a big cup of tea.
Now and
you can't sew without a big cup of tea. So now I'm going to go